In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Mcafee account subscription from Mcafee Livesafe to Mcafee Total Protection. This process should take around 5 minutes, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless transition. First, let's start by navigating to the Mcafee Total Protection webpage. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in Mcafee Total Protection. This will take you to the official Mcafee website, where you can find detailed information about their total protection plan. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features and benefits of this plan if you're not already acquainted. Once you're on the page, look for the Login option, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your existing Mcafee account credentials. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the correct account linked to your current Mcafee Livesafe subscription. If you have any trouble remembering your login details, most browsers have password managers that might have stored this information for you. After logging in, you will be directed to the Mcafee homepage. From here, your next destination is the Mcafee Protection Center. The user interface is generally intuitive, but if you can't locate it right away, it's usually displayed prominently. Look for a dashboard or a similar feature. In the Mcafee Protection Center, you'll find an option labeled Manage Your Account. Clicking this tab will bring up your account overview, which includes all of your subscription details and options for making changes. Now, this is where the magic happens. Next, navigate to the Subscriptions section. Here, you'll see all the subscriptions currently associated with your account. We're now almost at the end of the process. Within the Subscriptions page, look for an option that says Showing Active Subscriptions. Clicking this will reveal your active Mcafee Livesafe subscription, under which you should find the option to change your plan. Before making the switch, ensure that you've read about the Mcafee Total Protection Plan and are aware of any differences in features and pricing. Once you're ready to proceed, confirm your choice to switch from Mcafee Livesafe to Mcafee Total Protection. By following these steps, you will have successfully updated your Mcafee account subscription, allowing you to take advantage of all the features that Mcafee Total Protection has to offer. If you encounter any issues during this process, Mcafee's customer support is available to assist. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has proved helpful. Enjoy your enhanced security features with Mcafee Total Protection.